In this video we're going to learn a little bit about the month of October, and I'm going to share with you some words and phrases that you are going to find particularly useful at this time of the year. If you would like to learn more about Irish words and phrases, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And to those that are already subscribed and watching regularly, thank you very much, and a special thank you to all my Patreon supporters out there. So the Irish for October is Deraphor. Deraphor. I'm going to describe the meaning of that in more detail in a few moments, but for now, October is Deraphor. Mi Deraphor atá ann. October is upon us, or October is here. Mi Deraphor atá ann. This is certainly the time of the year when the evenings get colder and the darker evenings are beginning to set in. So, with that in mind, tá sé ag éirí níos fuaire. It is getting colder. Tá sé ag éirí níos fuaire. Éiríonn sé níos dorcha gach oíche de réir a chéile. Every night is getting darker bit by bit. Éiríonn sé níos dorcha gach oíche de réir a chéile. Tá na duilleoga ag titim. The leaves are falling. Tá na duilleoga ag titim. Dahanna jasa. Nice colours. Dahanna jasa. So let's talk about Deraphor. The word Deraphor means October in Irish, as I said at the start of the video. So it literally means the end of the harvest. Dera means end and for means harvest. Now for can also mean autumn in Irish as well, the season of autumn, but for the context of this video we're going to assume it means the end of the harvest. Deraphor, the end of the harvest. Because the end of autumn or the end of the harvest was celebrated during the festival of Samhain. This was a festival that marked the ushering in of the dark half of the year and the saying goodbye to the lighter half of the year. It culminated with a celebration on the 31st of October, which is the time when the spirits are said to transcend from the spiritual world into the physical world. This is why the Irish for Halloween is Oíche Hamhna. Oíche Hamhna. So that means the night of Samhain, and that night is particularly in reference to the 31st of October. The tradition of dressing up for Halloween originates from Oíche Hamhna and from this time when the spirits are said to enter into the physical world. The reason people used to dress up is because they wanted to blend in with the spirits, and that would avoid them being detected and avoid them being scared or punished by the spirits. Another reason for dressing up was possibly to scare unwanted spirits away. In a similar way, this is where the tradition of carving out pumpkins and putting little candles or lanterns inside them came from as well. Now, the whole tradition of pumpkins kind of came from America, as Irish immigrants brought these traditions across the Atlantic and into America and Canada. Pumpkins were more widely available over there, and that's why pumpkins have been used. But traditionally in Ireland it has been turnips or large potatoes that were used. But anyway, the reason these were carved out into scary faces was also to scare away unwanted or to ward off any undesirable spirits that may enter during the festival of Samhain. The Irish for dressing up is gléasa suas. Gléasa suas, dressing up. In Irish, a costume is culla. Culla. Now that could also be pronounced cli as well. Cli, but culla is probably more widely used. Culla for a costume. Culla Oíche Hamhna, a Halloween costume. Culla Oíche Hamhna. The Irish for a pumpkin is puimcín. Puimcín. And a turnip, turnipa. Turnipa. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.